the Tsene-rene was a great compilation of prayers, legends, biblical stories in kind of Hebrew Yiddish. It was a standby of women's religiosity in Eastern Europe. Very often in the East European synagogue, there might be one woman in the Ezras Noshim, or the woman section, called the Zogerke, or kind of the translator. She would be the intermediary between what was going on down there and what was going on up there in the women's section. And for example, if there were a particularly juicy Bible reading, such as the selling of Joseph by the brothers, or a Jew being killed by an Egyptian, a Jew being beaten by an Egyptian taskmaster, the Zogerke would use the Tsene-rene to spice things up. And she would talk about how those brothers want to kill their brother Joseph. And Joseph is such a Tsene-rene, and the brothers have no rachmanis, and then all the women cry. And then the men will yell up, "Shah, still, kvitchenit," and the women will then shut up. But the Tsene-rene is a way that women can reach the temporal rhythm of the Torah portion, that women can have some idea what's going on in the service. And of course, it's in a language that's accessible to them.